Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll guide you on how to repost someone else's story on your own Instagram story. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and maybe you want to repost someone else's story. Perhaps it features you, or it's a picture that relates to you somehow. Or maybe you just find it funny, educational, or entertaining and want to share it with your followers to get more reach. This is a great way to do that. This guide is step by step, so don't skip anything, as you might miss an important note. Let's go ahead and add the story. Without further ado, let's dive in. For reference, I don't have any active story right now, but even if you do, it doesn't matter. First, find the story you want to repost. You can go directly to the person's profile to see their story, or press the search button, the magnifying glass at the bottom, and type in their account name. Alternatively, you can view stories as usual by pressing the home button at the bottom left. At the top, you'll see all the stories. Find the story you want, and I'll open up YouTube here at the top as an example. Remember, if you need to go back, press on the left side. Once you're viewing the story you want to repost, go to the bottom right and tap the airplane icon, the Share button. This opens the Share menu. At the bottom, you'll see different options. Add to Story is usually the first option in the last row. You might need to scroll, but it should appear first. Tap it. The story will then open. You can tap on it to choose how it looks. I like the first option. It clearly shows it's a repost. You can change the color by pressing the button on the right. Tap the arrow down for more options. You can add text, stickers, audio, partnerships, ads, change the background, draw, download, and more. Once you've added what you want, you're ready to post it to your story.